Hi, I'm Mary Jo Boyd, here with another eBite from Attorney Computer Systems. Today's eBite is in Tabs. A question I get quite a bit is, how do I change the transaction code descriptions, or how do I just change or add a new transaction code when I'm entering fees and costs? Those little shortcuts that we have that can put that text in at the bottom. So let me show you how you can do that. I'm in Tabs in my sample data, and under Setup, if I go to Transaction Codes, here's where my list of transaction codes is. If I do my drop down, here they are. There's also a report that you can print off all of your transaction codes if you want to have these in writing and mark them up and then come over here to make your changes. But if I want to change any of these, I can just click on it. So let's say that I want to change outside conference to just be conference with. If I click on this and say OK, I can just come in and modify this particular entry and just say conference with, and then I can change it and say save. I can change the alpha code here. I can also assign a type if there's a specific type of transaction this is. When I'm adding new ones, this is, fees are always normal, but if this were a cost entry, let me get out of this and go down to a cost, I can actually change and add that to a specific type of cost. So you can define different types of costs: miscellaneous phone, photocopies, travel expense. You can define these yourself. You have 10 of them. I suggest you use the zeros miscellaneous all the time, but 1 through 9 you can assign. So that's a place that you can change that. And then you can also change a cost or a fee to be defaulting to billable or non-billable. You've got all those same options here. So I could just change this to always be a non-billable cost or a non-billable fee. You also can put in amounts and rates. So for copies, if let's say that your copy rate changes and it's now, oh actually this is travel, so this is mileage. Mileage goes up and down every year, so let's change that to 0.55. Whatever that is for the IRS, you can change those things right in here. And then you just save your changes and you've got it. Another one that people want to change all the time is payments. They want that payment description to say something different. It just says payment right now, but maybe you want it to say thank you for your payment, or payment thank you, or whatever that is, payment received. Any of those things you can change right here, and that will default to every time that you use this transaction code in a payment window, or if you're doing a fee or a cost in a fee or a cost window. So there you have it. Not too hard to change those cost or fee or expense types. So hope this eBite's been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, just feel free to give us a call or visit our website. Thanks.